Okay, y'all need to be quiet in the box because we're on the record. All right, did you understand that you're charged with the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Trevino, what are your issues? Why did this happen?
Neighbor harassing me, vandalizing my property.
Well, I mean, that's where you call the police. You don't take matters into your own hand because then things escalate.
Your
And
Honor,
we
I
end up
understand
here.
I made a mistake.
Well, you made a choice.
I
A
made
mistake.
bad choice.
Let me just tell you what a mistake is. Here's a mistake. If I come to court and I didn't check the weather and my mom didn't call me and say it's going to be raining, and I come to court and I didn't bring my umbrella. I'm sitting next to somebody and somebody says, "Hey, it's raining outside." I see people coming in with their umbrellas. And as I'm getting ready to leave the court, I decide to take somebody's umbrella. That's a choice. Let me tell you what a mistake is. I come to court. I know it's going to rain outside. My mom has already told me, "Hey, Stephanie, it's going to rain." And I come to court. I have a black umbrella. The person sitting next to me has a black umbrella. I've done my business for the day at court. I get up, I leave, I take my black umbrella. I go outside, I open it up. My initials are not on it. And I realize that I have the wrong umbrella. That's a mistake. What you did was a choice. And how old are you?
65.
You're old enough to start making better choices. You're in the same situation I'm in life, which is I'm in the twilight of my life. You're in the twilight of your life, unless you're planning on living to be 200. So there comes a point in time where we've got to stop making horrible choices. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you employed?
Yes, Your Honor.
What do you do?
Lawn maintenance.
Okay. When you say lawn maintenance, what does that mean?
Cut the grass, blow, weedy
Do you edge?
edge.
Do you take care of plants as well?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So why are my gardenias having a hard time?
Why?
Why are my gardenias and my rose of Sharon having a hard time? I protected it for the winter.
Feed them.
I do feed them regular.
Fertilization.
I talk to them, feed them, and they're just like, "No, we're done." I guess that's Texas for you. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am. I'm single, never been married.
Well, that may be a good thing.
Yeah.
No offense to the people who are married, but marriage is work. People tell me that's a second job. So are you still in contact with these parties?
No.
Are you still living on this street?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So how's he gonna?
Your Honor, mainly for the no contact order the state's requesting. Obviously, him driving by the house occasionally is fine, but we're asking that at least no contact physically, or even like communicating telephone calls, or actually waving or waving anything at these individuals that still live on that same street.
Well, you can't say hi. You can't speak to them. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
My mom always says, it doesn't hurt to say hi to somebody, but it will hurt if you say hi to them. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is that going to be a problem for you?
No, ma'am. No.
And don't blow any grass or anything on their lawns, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Are there any drug issues?
No, Your Honor.
What do you do in your spare time?
I lift weights and I play drums.
All right. How much weight are you lifting?
Well, I bench 165. I squat 200.
Oh, well, there you go. All right. Good to know. Weightlifting is always good when you're in the twilight of your life and before. All right. I'm going to sentence you to $2,500 fine. That'll be probated. 8 years deferred adjudication. All right, Mr. Trevino, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Your Honor, I just want to say that Roger is still harassing me. And
In what way?
I don't need this, you know.
I said, in what way is he harassing you?
Well, he's like flipping me off, you know. The other day, I stopped using my garage door because it broke on me and I had it repaired, and I would go in and out of my house that way, right? So I would go, instead of using the garage door, I said, I'm going to start going in my side door on my house. So I have a lock on my gate, right? Well, that guy, he put glue on my lock, so I couldn't open it and he's sitting out there laughing at me, you know?
All right, did you see him put glue on your lock?
I didn't see him, but he's the only one I've been having hassles with, you know?
I mean, unless you have a Mrs. Kravitz in the neighborhood who can tell you that happened, or you have somebody to tell you that he put glue on your lock. I mean,
You know,
all I
I
can
know,
do-
I know it's just, you know, I'm just saying, you
let
know.
me ask
I
you
have
this.
no proof of it.
How old are your neighbors?
Huh?
How old are your neighbors?
He's like 62.
All right, come on, people.
Yeah.
You know, here's the thing. People just need to be kind to each other. And you know what? If he's slipping you off, guess what? Laugh, ignore it, and keep going. If you see him or you think that he has done something to your gate or to your locks, call the police. Just don't even get involved with him. And usually, what I will tell you, when people have so much anger inside them, and when people are nasty and mean to other people, there are some issues internally with them.
Your Honor, I just want to say one thing about Roger Delgado is that I've lived there for 17 years, and this man has never had a real job. He's basically a domestic abuser. His wife works every day. I'm friends with his wife.
Well, here's the thing. You're no longer friends with his wife.
No longer, no.
No, so you're not going to have any contact with her.
I'm gonna have any
And here's
contact.
the other thing. Nobody knows what goes on behind closed doors unless you are in that household. You don't know if he does or does not have a job. You don't know why he does not have a job. You don't know if he's worked all his life and maybe has some sort of injury. Everybody needs to mind their own business. Now, if you see a crime being committed or you think a crime is being committed, then pick up the phone and call the police and help somebody out. If you think there's domestic violence going on in his house and you're aware of it, pick up the phone, call the police. But as far as you having contact with him or the other neighbors in that list, as far as you contacting their family or being friends with them, you're not allowed to. Don't send flowers, don't text, don't talk about them on Facebook. It's as if those are abandoned homes and you don't know anybody who lives there.
Yes, Your Honor.
That will make your life so much easier. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there anything else I can give you to make you successful on this probation?
No.
All right, Mr. Trevino, good luck to you. Spend time with the flowers.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Probation will go over conditions with you.